Okay, let's see how to create such kind of findings or such kind of shape. See, first of all, we have to understand which tool we are going to use to create such kind of shape. Okay, so here the object is object have a different type of cross sections. So this is one kind of round section. Okay, and here is also there is a cut, and here is a round end. Okay, this is a plate and having a two round joints. Okay, so suppose let's make a little bit easy by creating it's on a specific plane. Okay, so I have just oriented it. Okay, now let's first start. I'm just creating not exact dimensionally. You can give your dimension as per your requirement. Just right now learn how to create such kind of shapes using Rhino tools. Okay, so I'm just using origin point because creating using origin is very important. We will discuss it later. Right now we are just discussing on tools. Okay, so just specify radius. You can see preview here, which means suppose I'm moving my cursor, so it is changing its dimension. So you can judge and type your dimension. So suppose I want 2 mm is showing right now 2.199. so right now I want diameter of 3 mm, then enter. Okay, now just extrude it. So there is a command extrude, EXTRU, then extrude curve. So right now there are different types of extrusion options. So we are going to use extrude curve. Then specify height. Suppose if you want to give height both the sides, so just keep turn on this option. Otherwise just click on this, it will create no, then specify height. So suppose I want 10 mm long. Okay, so in case if you want if you want to change your circle diameter, you can also change. Just Control Z and just keep pressing Shift key and click on this scale button. Okay, as we discussed previously, this is the gumball, and you can rotate, translate and scale. So I just keep pressing Shift key because it will change in on direction. So keep pressing Shift key, click on the scale option and just type in 0.5, so it will half the dimension. Okay, just click it, extrude and enter. Now specify height. Okay, aside of both the sides there is the option solid. No, I want it solid because this is the solid thing. Okay, we are working on solid. Okay, so right now 8 is okay. I think it's still little bit okay, fine. We are not matching the dimension, we are matching the shape and everything. Okay, now there is another circle here. So we need to create a cylinder. So there is also ready-made cylinder available, so you can also use this cylinder. Otherwise you can create circle and extrude it. So right now it will ask the same thing. Specify center point, then specify its circle's diameter. So right now it's 2.9 mm showing. You can also type in directly 2.5. so it is showing preview. If you want to change 0.7, so it will again showing preview. This is fine. Now give height. So it is giving both the sides height. So right now, okay, just create both the sides. Go to front view, side view, just zoom in and specify means whatever you want to give. Right now it's 0.4. so right now 0.4 is okay. Okay, this is the plate. Okay, everything is filleted and everything is on proper dimension. Okay, we are just translating plate on this height up to this height. Okay, we can also scale this option directly. Don't press Shift key. Okay, then you can also change scale of this plate by keep pressing Shift key and just scale it. I don't want high thickness much, means this much thickness. Just keep pressing this scale button and just drag it, so it will change the scale. You can also type in value by clicking on this point. Okay, right now we are not doing that. Okay, now I want to create these two circles, means these two plates, band plates, or whatever you can say. Okay, so right now just let's move it. Okay, for our proper visualization, just select it and rotate it 90 degree. Okay, go to side view now. Okay, you can also change the orientation as per your requirement. For right now we are not using the orientation option. We will see it in next lecture, how to set proper orientation by exact as per our requirement. Okay, so right now I want to create this two this plate, banded plate. Okay, so I can also do, means I can use different kind of tools. There are too many techniques to create this kind of shape. Suppose I can create a cylinder and then specify height. Okay, then after I can also create another cylinder by clicking Alter, Shift and drag this, so it will create another copy and you can just scale height. Okay, so there is a another cylinder inside of this cylinder, so I have used Alter, Shift and scale key, and then after you can boolean difference. So click this, enter, then select this option. So there is a plate. Now you can cut it. Okay, so you can also use any different plate which can cut this kind of shape. So there is also box. We can also cut using box. Okay, just use both the sides. It's not showing both the sides, so we can drag it and we can use boolean difference. Select. This is very simple option. So now you can use side view and mirror it. I want to create mirror from here or something, wherever you can find your mirror axis. So this is also fine, this is also fine. I want to keep touch here. So these are the simple options. Okay, now select it and just move it. Okay, if you want exact move, you can also create line, and by using that you can. Okay, right now it's showing history breaking option. So yes, I want to break the history. Now move. Okay, so just little bit down. Yeah, I think it's okay. Suppose if you want to change your thickness, okay, this is little bit more taper. Okay, taper means it's a little bit broad here and narrow at the bottom side. So how can we create? Okay, let's make another circle. Okay, just keep it height, Control H. Now I'm going to create circle. Okay, so create circle. Now there is a option to specify section on this curve. So there is a Cplane, and Cplane we have another option, curve. So see, Cplane is a sketching plane. Right now it is defined here, the grid is showing sketching plane. So I want to specify on at some point on this curve. Okay, so now I can draw my section here. So suppose I want to create a circle, or I want to create a rectangle. I think rectangle is a good rectangle using center option. So right now click 0 and define its dimension. Yeah, so I want bigger here and smaller here. So I will create smaller here and bigger here. Okay, so again I need to change Cplane. Okay, so use Cplane, then again curve, and select this curve. I want to define here on this chord point. Okay, again use center and rectangle, sorry, center and corner, 0, enter, and specify just smaller dimension. Yeah, I think this is okay. Now again mirror it, mirror from this chord point to this chord point. Oh, it's not working properly, so I'm using proper plane. So proper viewport is very important. Okay, sorry. So viewport is very necessary, and C plane is most important thing. C plane is a sketching plane. We will also create a specific lecture if it is required. So right now we are going to use sweep tool, Sweep1. So in Sweep1 you can define one rail and multiple sections. So this is my first section, second section, and third section. Enter, then again enter. Okay, so start point should be remain same, otherwise it will create an error. Okay, I think this is okay. This is similar to previous one. This is also okay, just done. Okay, for right now it's already creating opening, so we need this opening, so we are not clicking on this close sweep, otherwise we need to remove. Okay, just click done, then select and directly type in command cap. So cap will create a cap will close the open section. So right now there is a perfect similar section. Okay, select it, then go to top view and just drag it here. So right now it's perfect. Mirror, 0, enter, then define mirror key, sorry, mirror axis. Okay, now it's looking good. Scaling is little bit high, so we can do this thing. Let's increase scale of everything. Okay, our main intention is to create similar shapes like this one. Okay, so this is the lecture how to create such kind of findings and such kind of shapes. You can also define a sphere here for round end, center and radius. So if you want to drag your mouse to this center point, so turn on the center option and just hover over your mouse to boundary, it will highlight center. Click there and click on this chord option, so it will create this kind of shape. Then just give Boolean union. Yeah, now it's single object. Okay, thank you.